Hello everyone, welcome back to CarOg 765, the channel where classic cars are not just machines but pure emotion, history, and style on wheels. If you love vintage cars, rare American classics, and stories behind legendary automobiles, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new classic car story. Today we are talking about a very special and unique American classic, the 1957 Ford Ranchero. This car was something totally new for its time. It was not just a car, and not just a truck. It was a perfect combination of both, and that is what made the Ranchero so special and memorable in automotive history. The 1957 Ford Ranchero was introduced by Ford as America's first car-based pickup. At that time, people usually had to choose between a comfortable passenger car or a hard-working pickup truck. Ford decided to break this rule and created something revolutionary. They took the front end and comfort of a full-size Ford station wagon and added an open cargo bed at the back. The result was the Ranchero, a vehicle that could work during the day and cruise comfortably at night. Design-wise, the 1957 Ranchero was pure 1950s American style. It shared its looks with the Ford Fairlane, which means lots of chrome, smooth curves, and those beautiful tailfins that defined the era. The long hood, wide grille, and shiny bumpers gave it a bold and confident appearance. It looked classy like a car, but strong like a truck, and that balance made it very attractive. One of the best things about the 1957 Ford Ranchero was its versatility. Farmers, small business owners, and even families found it useful. You could carry tools, groceries, or small loads in the back, while still enjoying a comfortable ride inside. The cabin was spacious, stylish, and well finished, just like a regular Ford car of that time. Bench seats, a simple dashboard, and easy-to-read gauges made driving relaxed and enjoyable. Under the hood, the 1957 Ranchero offered several engine options. Buyers could choose from economical inline-six engines or powerful V8 engines. The V8 options were especially popular because they gave the Ranchero strong performance and smooth power. This was not a slow-work vehicle. It could easily keep up with traffic and even surprise people with its speed on the highway. Ford made sure that performance lovers were not disappointed. Driving the 1957 Ranchero felt different from traditional trucks. Because it was based on a car platform, the ride quality was smoother and more comfortable. Steering was lighter, handling was better, and long drives felt less tiring. This made the Ranchero perfect for people who wanted utility without sacrificing comfort. The Ranchero also played an important role in automotive history. It created a new category of vehicles known as car-based pickups. Later on, competitors like the Chevrolet El Camino followed the same idea, but the Ranchero was the pioneer. Ford took a risk, and that risk paid off by starting a whole new trend in the American auto industry. Today, the 1957 Ford Ranchero is highly respected among classic car collectors. Finding one in good condition is not easy, and restored models are especially valuable. People love it not only for its rarity, but also for its story and unique character. It represents creativity, innovation, and the bold spirit of 1950s America. For classic car enthusiasts, the Ranchero is more than just metal and chrome. It brings back memories of a time when car manufacturers were experimenting, dreaming big, and creating vehicles with personality. The sound of its V8 engine, the shine of its chrome, and the feel of its steering wheel take you straight back to a golden era of motoring. Even today, the design of the 1957 Ford Ranchero still turns heads. Whether it's parked at a car show or cruising down the road, people stop, stare, and ask questions. It has that timeless charm which only true classics have. If you love unique classic cars with real history and soul, the 1957 Ford Ranchero is definitely one to admire. It proved that a vehicle could be practical, stylish, and fun all at the same time. Ford didn't just build a car or a truck, they built an icon. If you enjoyed this story and appreciation of the 1957 Ford Ranchero, make sure to like the video, share it with fellow classic car lovers, and subscribe to CarOg 765 for more amazing classic car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another legendary ride.